DDME is excited to be able to facilitate for the first time ever a business continuity plan workshop from February the 25th to the 28th in Providenciales. Business continuity planning, or BCP, is a plan to help ensure that businesses' processes can continue to function during an emergency or disaster. It details steps to be taken before, during, and after an event in order to maintain the financial viability of an organization. Business continuity planning is important for all government departments, private sector, small or medium businesses, etc. Research has shown that agencies that have a business continuity plan are more likely to recover following a disaster. Research has also shown that agencies that have a business continuity plan also recover faster than those without. For example, 80% of businesses suffering a major disaster go out of business in 3 years. 40% of businesses that suffer critical IT failure go out of business within a year. Faced with these facts, DDME felt that it was important to ensure that government departments were trained in this area and assisted in developing their business continuity plan in order to ensure the continuity of government services even after major disaster such as Ike, Irma, and Maria, power failure, or for major fire hazard.